Today, I want to test something much more useful than a typical AI demo. Imagine a brand hires me to create a product ad. Normally, that means planning, filming, lighting, editing, writing a script, finding actors, collecting product shots, and spending hours moving between different tools. But what if I could do all of that inside one platform? That is exactly what I'm testing today with HeyFish AI. HeyFish is an AI ad creation platform built for turning products into ready-to-use marketing content. It gives you multiple ways to build ads, including visual actors, image ad maker, and URL to video ad. So instead of creating everything manually, you can generate product videos, promotional images, and structured ad workflows inside one system. And to test it properly, I'm going to use 3 real examples. First, I'll create a UGC-style video ad for an energy drink. Then I'll turn a skincare product into a polished image ad. And finally, I'll test the fastest workflow of all by pasting a product link and letting the platform build a full video ad around it. Let's start with the first example. Imagine I've received a project to create a short, social media ready ad for an energy drink. Normally, I would need a creator, camera, setup, and editing. Here, I go into avatar video, then visual actors, and choose product showcase. I upload the energy drink as my reference image. Then I click select actor and choose a model in a natural indoor setting holding the product. This immediately makes the ad feel more realistic. I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a more polished look. Now I write the script. Instead of a generic ad, I focus on a real situation. I write a script around a very real problem: losing energy in the middle of the day, feeling mentally tired, and needing something that helps you reset and focus again. The script is written like a real user experience, not like a fake sales pitch. The key is writing it like a real experience. Then I click Generate Video. A confirmation screen appears showing credit usage and reminding me to keep the text clean and properly written. This video uses 6 credits. I confirm, and the ad is generated. Now I open the result. On the right side, I have download and remove options. Under actions, I can remix, remove BG, upscale, or extend the video. This is important. I'm not locked into one result. I can improve quality, change the version, or extend the scene. So this is not just an output, it's a flexible asset.
You ever feel like your energy just drops in the middle of the day? Like your brain is working, but your body isn't? I've been there too, but then I found something different. A smooth, tropical mango drink that hits instantly. The moment you take a sip, boom. It's not just energy, it's a switch. Your focus turns on, your motivation kicks in, and you're back in control. So next time your energy drops, don't stop.
Now, let's move to the second example. This time, the goal is a strong visual ad for social media. I go back to Explore and open Image Ad Maker. Here I see a large library of real ad style templates. I select a skincare template and click Recreate. The editor opens. On the left, I see the template preview. In the main panel, I can upload a product image, add a brand logo, write ad text, toggle adapt background, and choose the aspect ratio. For this test, I upload a Vaseline product, add the logo, and write a simple line: "Your skin deserves better. Upgrade your hydration today." I choose 1:1 square format. Then I click Generate. This time, the generation only uses 1 credit. That's important because it allows fast testing of multiple creatives. I open the result. I now have a clean, polished product ad image with text, branding, and layout already in place. On the right, I can download it or open Actions. From here, I can turn it into a video, edit it, or attach an actor. So even a static image can become part of a larger ad workflow. Now, let's move to the third example, which is probably the fastest workflow for e-commerce. Imagine I have a real product page and I need an ad as quickly as possible. Instead of uploading everything manually, I go into URL to video ad. The interface here is very simple. There is one main input box, a button called Analyze URL, and 2 supporting options below: Choose Existing and Add Manually. I paste in a real product link for Nike Shox TL men's shoes, and I click Analyze URL. This is where HeyFish becomes especially useful for e-commerce workflows. The platform builds a project automatically. It extracts the product name, product description, product visuals, and available assets. Then I move through the project step by step. First, I review the extracted media and product details. I can see the product name already filled in, a description generated from the page, the logo area, and a set of selected video and image assets. Each asset has a checkbox, so I can keep or remove what I want. I can also add assets, select all, unselect all, or delete selected. Then I move to promotional info. Here I can turn the promotion description section on and add details like the original price, promo price, and the discount message. In this test, I use a structure like 180 down to 150 with tags such as 17% off, minus $30, and free shipping. That is important because a product ad should not just look good, it should also communicate an offer clearly. Next, I go into video settings. Here I set the format to 9:16, the duration to 30 seconds, the language to English, and I can also define the target audience. After that, I reach one of the strongest parts of the workflow, ad scripts. Instead of forcing me to write everything from scratch, the platform generates multiple script angles automatically. For example, in this case, I get hooks like shock your steps, instant height boost, stop blaming feet, and meeting room rescue. Each one frames the same product in a different marketing angle. That is valuable because sometimes the hardest part of making an ad is not editing, it is finding the right angle. I select one script, and below it, I can read the full narration. It already has structure, pacing, benefits, and a clear selling point. Then I move to choose avatar. The platform recommends matching digital actors. I can preview them and select the one that best fits the brand tone. Under that, I also get the option to add or change background music. Then I move to choose a template. Here the platform gives me different render styles such as product-focused layouts, avatar-focused layouts, split-screen compositions, and carousel-style structures. I select one template and then I hit render. Before final rendering, I get the same confirmation window again. This time, the system shows that the final render requires 3 credits. So across these 3 examples, I can already see the production logic very clearly. The energy drink video used 9 credits, the image ad used 1 credit, and the URL-based video render used 3 credits. That gives me a much better sense of how to plan real campaign output. And this is the real reason I find this platform interesting. It is not just one feature, it is a complete ad workflow. If I want a UGC-style talking product ad, I can do that. If I want a polished static creative, I can do that. If I want to start from a product link and let the platform build everything for me, I can do that too. That makes it useful for creators, e-commerce brands, agencies, and marketers who need speed without losing structure. If your goal is to create ads faster, test multiple angles, and build more content without switching between tools, this is a very practical system.
Most people don't know walking spikes joint pressure by 98%. The Shox TL uses hollow columns that compress on impact to absorb shock instead of your knees. I've been wearing these for 3 weeks, and the foam texture feels like bouncing on clouds. My runner friends noticed I stopped limping after our 5-mile sessions within just 4 days. Nike offers free returns, so you can test that zero-impact feeling completely risk-free today. Your joints will thank you for switching to this smarter cushioning system right now.
If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. Test it with your own product, build a few variations, and see how far you can push it. And if you want more real-world AI tools like this, subscribe to the channel because I'll keep testing tools that are actually useful, not just interesting.